there, little brainiacs. Welcome to Kool Kreative Mingle. Don't miss out. Subscribe now and join our community.
Beneath the azure waves of the Glimmer Ocean, a mystical world thrives, hidden from human eyes. It is a realm where creatures of the sea, both ordinary and enchanted, live in harmony. The ocean floor is a tapestry of vibrant colors, woven with coral reefs and swaying kelp forests. Here, adventure waits at every corner, but it is also a place protected by a special group known as the Guardians of the Glimmer. The Guardians are a diverse team made up of various sea creatures, each with unique abilities and skills. There is Orbit, the wise old sea turtle who has lived for centuries, navigating the ocean currents with unmatched grace. Orbit's shell glistens in the sunlight, a mosaic of ancient symbols telling tales of the ocean's past. Tide is a mischievous dolphin with a talent for acrobatics and an instinctual knack for exploring the unknown depths. His playful nature often leads him into trouble, but he's quick to find solutions with his clever mind and agile movements. Pearl, the seahorse, is a gentle soul with the rare gift of communicating with the ocean winds. Her whispers carry over the waves, and she can call upon squalls or calm the stormy waters. Her luminescent body glows softly, guiding those who are lost back to safety. Coral, the jellyfish, is mysterious and elegant. She dances through the water as if in a dream, her translucent tendrils glowing in shades of pink and purple. Coral has the power to emit calming lights that soothe troubled spirits of sea creatures. Together, these guardians must face a new challenge. A dark shadow has crept into the Glimmer Ocean, threatening its inhabitants and the balance of nature. This unseen force disrupts the currents and dims the bright ecosystems, sowing fear among the sea dwellers. Orbit, the leader, convenes the guardians to discuss this ominous threat. "We must act swiftly," he implores, his voice carrying the depth of ancient wisdom. "Our world is at danger, and we are the only ones who can protect it." With determination, the Guardians embark on a quest across the ocean floor, using their abilities to uncover the source of the shadow. As they navigate the perilous kelp forests and dive into mysterious caverns, each member relies on their strengths to solve puzzles and overcome obstacles. Tide's acrobatic skills allow him to dart between narrow rocks, discovering hidden passages. Pearl communicates with the ocean currents, revealing clues to where the shadow lurks. Coral's soothing lights calm frightened creatures, gaining valuable information and allies for the journey. After days of searching, they find an underwater cavern where darkness emanates like ink spilling through the water. Inside, a giant ancient Kraken, who once lived in peace, is now awake, unsettled and bound by chains that have corrupted his soul. Realizing that the Kraken is not evil but trapped in his suffering, Pearl calls upon the winds to sing an ancient lullaby, calming the creature's distress. Tide nimbly swims around the Kraken, unlocking chains with quick flicks of his tail. Orbit speaks to the Kraken with a voice of reassurance and wisdom. "You are not alone, noble creature. We are here to help." In a dance of lights, Coral encircles the Kraken, dispelling the shadows that cloud its judgment. With every chain broken and the lullaby's gentle tones ringing through the cavern, tranquility returns to the Kraken. The ocean fills with its relieved sigh, and colors cascade back into the realm of the Glimmer Ocean once more. The Guardians, victorious in their mission, restore balance to the ocean. As they return to their coral refuge, renewed with purpose and unity, they know that they will continue to safeguard their beloved home and the enchanted creatures within it.